How to reset FaceTime on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on FaceTime. At the bottom of this screen, you will find the main toggle switch that controls the entire FaceTime service. To turn on FaceTime, simply tap on this toggle. In the FaceTime menu, scroll down to the Caller ID section. Tap on your Apple account, as shown, to access account options. As you can see, a menu will appear. Tap on Sign Out to disconnect your Apple ID from FaceTime. This is a simple way to refresh and reset the service on your device. Alternatively, for a full settings reset, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. From the General Settings page, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm this action. Following these steps, you can easily reset FaceTime on an iPhone.